Car engine overheating is a common issue that can arise from several factors. Understanding the reasons behind overheating and knowing how to address them can help prevent serious engine damage. Below are some of the most common causes and their corresponding remedies. 1. Inadequate coolant or coolant leaks. Cause low coolant level due to leaks in hoses, the radiator, water pump, or head gasket can prevent sufficient heat dissipation. A failed radiator cap may also allow coolant to escape and reduce system pressure. Remedies. Regularly check the coolant level and top up with the appropriate coolant mixture. Inspect hoses, clamps, and connections for signs of wear or leakage. Replace damaged components. Replace a faulty radiator cap to maintain proper pressure. If a leak is suspected from the engine block or head gasket, a professional inspection is necessary, and the damaged part may need repair or replacement. 2. Thermostat failure. So the cause here is a stuck thermostat, which can get stuck either permanently closed or open, and this really messes with coolant flow. If it stays closed, hot coolant can build up in the engine, which is definitely not good. On the other hand, if it's open all the time, the engine might never reach its optimal operating temperature. Remedies for this are pretty straightforward. You'll want to replace a malfunctioning thermostat to make sure the engine warms up properly and keeps the right operating temperature. 3. Radiator and cooling system blockages. Over time, sediment, rust, and debris can start to build up inside the radiator or coolant passages, blocking the flow of fluid and reducing the system's efficiency. Also, clogged fins in the radiator can restrict the airflow that's really needed to keep the engine cool. Remedies, right? So flush the cooling system periodically to remove buildup and replace the old coolant. Also, it's important to clean the radiator fins and make sure they aren't obstructed by debris. In really severe cases, you might need to consider a radiator replacement or professional cleaning. 4. Malfunctioning radiator fan or fan clutch. The radiator fan, whether it's electric or mechanical, helps pull air over the radiator to remove heat. If it fails to operate correctly, especially during low-speed driving or idling, the engine can overheat. In vehicles with a fan clutch, a worn or seized clutch can prevent proper operation. Remedies for this one? Well, you should test the radiator fan for proper operation when the engine reaches its operating temperature. Repair or replace any faulty fan motors, relays, or fuses. And for mechanical fans, inspect and replace the fan clutch if it's failing to engage or disengage appropriately. 5. Water pump issues. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the engine. A worn bearing, impeller damage, or leakage from the water pump will result in poor coolant circulation, leading to overheating. Remedies. Inspect the water pump regularly for leaks or abnormal noises. Replace a failing water pump to restore proper coolant flow. 6. Blocked or damaged coolant passages. Internal blockages in the engine, such as scaling or corrosion in the coolant passages, reduce the effectiveness of the cooling system. Lack of periodic maintenance can lead to the buildup of mineral deposits, especially in regions with hard water. So, when it comes to remedies, it's best to have the cooling system professionally inspected and, perform a coolant flush using products that help remove deposits. In some extreme cases, engine block cleaning or even repair may be necessary. Number 7. Excessive engine load or external factors. Basically, things like heavy towing, driving in really high ambient temperatures, or using the wrong grade of engine oil can increase the engine's load and temperature. Also, a malfunctioning oil cooler can contribute to overheating as well. Remedies to your car engine overheating issues include using the manufacturer-recommended fluids and oils. Make sure that any auxiliary cooling systems, like oil coolers, are in good working condition. It's also a good idea to adjust your driving habits in extreme conditions, and maybe consider additional cooling aids if you're routinely operating under heavy loads. Alright, let's talk about some general tips and preventative measures. It's really important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for things like coolant flushes, thermostat replacements, and regular system checks. You should definitely pay attention to your dashboard indicators. Keep an eye on any changes in the temperature gauge or warning lights. Early detection of these changes can really help prevent severe damage down the line. If you're unable to pinpoint the cause, or if the symptoms just keep coming back despite basic maintenance, it's a good idea to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic. They can diagnose issues like head gasket leaks or internal blockages that, honestly, aren't always easy to spot on your own. By addressing these areas and keeping up with regular maintenance, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of engine overheating. Not only will these practices help your engine run at an optimal temperature, but they'll also extend its longevity and reliability, which is always a plus. Choosing the best coolant for your car's radiator is crucial for ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. Here are several factors and steps to help you identify the right coolant for your vehicle. 1. Check your owner's manual. The manufacturer's recommendations are the best starting point. The manual specifies the coolant type, for example, ethylene glycol-based or propylene glycol-based, concentration, and occasionally even the brand or specific formulation. Look for details on mixing ratios and any additives needed. 2. Understand coolant types. Inorganic acid technology, IAT, often colored green. These are typically used in older vehicles and require more frequent changes. Organic acid technology, OAT, generally orange or red. They are designed for extended life and are common in modern vehicles. Hybrid organic acid technology, HOT, usually yellow or turquoise. HOT coolants combine features of IAT and OAT and are engineered for longer service intervals. Choosing the right type is key to ensuring compatibility with your engine's materials and coatings. 3. Consider environmental and driving conditions. If you live in a region with extreme weather, very hot or very cold, ensure the coolant you choose has an appropriate boiling point and freeze protection level. Driving habits. If you frequently drive under heavy loads or in stop-and-go traffic, a coolant formulated to handle higher temperatures or extended idling might be beneficial. 4. Compatibility and chemical composition. Make sure the coolant is compatible with your engine's metals and seals. Some ingredients can be corrosive or may not work well with certain alloys. Avoid mixing different types of coolants, for example IAT with OAT, as this can reduce the overall effectiveness and may cause scaling or corrosion. 5. Longevity and maintenance requirements. Some coolants are long life or extended life formulations that can go longer between changes. If you prefer lower maintenance or if your driving conditions are demanding, these formulations might be the best fit. However, be aware that they often require specific formulations recommended by your car maker. 6. Check for certifications and industry standards. Look for coolants that meet standards like ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, or OEM-specific seals. Certifications. Ensure that the coolant has been tested for performance and durability, which can be an extra assurance of quality. 7. Research and reviews. Consult automotive forums, professional mechanic recommendations, and product reviews to see how a particular coolant has performed in vehicles similar to yours. Sometimes local climate and available brands can influence which coolant is most reliable and effective. 8. Consult a professional. If you're still unsure, visit a trusted mechanic or your dealership. They can advise based on your car's age, mileage, and typical driving conditions. By following these steps and considering your car's specific needs, you can confidently identify and choose the best engine coolant for your radiator. This proactive approach not only keeps your engine temperature within the ideal range, but also helps prevent corrosion, scale buildup, and other issues that can lead to overheating or engine damage.